Hi, my name's Rebecca and I'm a hairdressing teacher at CIT Reid. We have a really diverse range of students here at CIT offering many different courses. So we do have our ASBA students, which is our school-based apprenticeships. We have our international students, our full-time students, our apprentices and our barbers.
I'm Josie and I'm a third-year apprentice at CIT.
And I'm Sarah and I'm a second-year apprentice at CIT. I like that it's really hands-on and that the teachers are really helpful and involved with what we're doing.
So here at CIT, we offer a simulated salon environment. So basically our classrooms are all set up like they would run in a salon. We have clients that come into the salon, so students are able to practice their work on a live model, which just makes it a lot more easier for them to then transition into the salon after their training here. So students who have also been working in the industry for years before actually coming to CIT are able to do RPL and get marked off for a lot of their subjects without even having to attend CIT to be able to do so. I think the really great thing about CIT is it is self-paced. So because we do have such a diverse range of students coming in all the time, our self-paced studies allow the ones who need that extra help and support to be able to get it from a various range of teachers here, or the ones that are really excelling through the course are actually able to continue moving and progressing through the different subjects ahead of what they normally would. The advice I'd offer for someone who is wanting to come study at CIT or potentially start a career in hairdressing is don't be afraid to. Don't be afraid to try something new or something different. Come in and speak to the teachers, join in on the virtual tours or the open days, because it is such a supportive, great bunch of people that work here and study here. So yeah, just don't let anything hold you back.
Recently I did a balayage on a client and it was fun to do something that was a bit more technical in terms of colour work, and it was fun to give my client a result that she was really happy with.
I would recommend definitely studying hairdressing at CIT if you're interested. I think you have to be passionate about it though. You only get out of it what you're willing to put into it.
The one good thing too with CIT is it's a nationally recognised course. So anyone who is thinking about starting a career in barbering and hairdressing is not only going to gain a qualification, but something that they can take with them throughout their life. So I've had the luxury and the pleasure within my career to be able to work at Fashion Week, to do runway shows, to do photo shoots and really get creative and have that avenue to express that. You're able to go and work overseas on cruise ships. It's something that you can take worldwide in Australia, something that you can travel with, and it really is just such a diverse qualification that you can use through so many aspects of your life.